If you've ever searched for ways to understand how promo codes actually work on betting platforms, you've probably seen a lot of confusing explanations that jump straight into jargon or assume you already know what you're doing. In this video, we're breaking everything down in a simple, clear way so you understand exactly how Bet365 promo codes work, how to use them properly, and what to watch out for so you don't make mistakes that could cost you your bonus or your deposit rewards. Before anything else, it's important to understand what a promo code actually is. A promo code is basically a special code offered by the platform during promotions or sign-up campaigns. When you enter it at the right time, it can unlock bonuses like free bets, deposit matches, boosted odds, or special rewards, depending on the promotion running at that moment. But here's something a lot of people don't realise. These codes are often time sensitive and region specific, meaning a code that works today might not work tomorrow or might not be available in your location. So the first step in using a Bet365 promo code correctly is actually getting the right one. Most people find these codes through official promotions, affiliate pages, or special campaign banners inside the platform itself. It's always important to be careful here because not every code you see online is valid or up to date. Some are expired, some are fake, and some are tied to specific conditions you might not meet yet. That's why the safest approach is always to use codes from verified promotional sources or directly from the platform when available. Once you have a valid promo code, the next step is understanding when and where to apply it. This is where most beginners make mistakes. The promo code is usually entered during the registration process or during a deposit step, depending on the offer. If it's a sign-up bonus, you'll typically see a field labelled promo code, bonus code, or offer code when you're creating your account. This is where you carefully type in or paste the code exactly as it appears. Even a small mistake, like an extra space or wrong letter, can cause the system not to recognise it. If the promo code is for a deposit bonus, the process is slightly different. After logging into your account, you go to the deposit section, choose your payment method, and before finalising the deposit, there is usually an option to enter a bonus or promo code. Once you apply it, the system will show you the bonus details, such as how much extra value you're getting or what conditions are attached to it. Only after confirming everything do you complete the deposit. Now here's something that many people overlook. Not all promo codes give you instant rewards. Some require you to meet certain conditions before the bonus becomes active. For example, you might need to place a minimum bet amount, or the bonus might be released in stages after you use your deposit. This is called wagering requirements or bonus conditions. It simply means the platform wants you to actively use your deposit before giving out the full reward. Understanding this is very important because it prevents confusion later when someone thinks they didn't receive their bonus, when in reality, they just haven't met the conditions yet. Another key detail is eligibility. Some promo codes are only available for new users, while others are for returning users or specific regions. If you try to use a new user bonus code on an existing account, it will not work. Similarly, if a promotion is limited to a certain country or region, it will be automatically rejected if your account doesn't match the requirement. This is why reading the terms, even briefly, is actually important. It saves you time and avoids frustration. Let's talk about timing as well, because this plays a big role. Promo codes often come with limited windows. Sometimes they're available for a few days, sometimes for specific events like a major sports tournament, and sometimes they disappear once the promotion cap is reached. That means even if a code is valid, it might stop working simply because the promotion has ended or reached its limit. So if you find a working promo code, it's usually better to use it immediately instead of waiting too long. Now, after successfully applying your promo code, you should always double check your account to confirm that the bonus has been activated. Most platforms will show a confirmation message or display your bonus balance separately from your main balance. This helps you understand what money is yours to use freely and what money is tied to bonus conditions. Mixing the two up can lead to mistakes when placing bets or making withdrawals. Speaking of withdrawals, this is another area where people get confused. Bonus funds are usually not immediately withdrawable. Even if you win using bonus funds, there may still be conditions that need to be completed before you can cash out. This is completely normal in promotional systems and is designed to ensure fair use of the bonus. So it's always a good idea to keep track of your progress toward those requirements so you're not caught off guard later. Another important thing to understand is that promo codes are not the same as guaranteed profit. They are promotional tools meant to enhance your experience, not a way to make risk-free money. Many beginners misunderstand this and assume that entering a code automatically means they will gain free earnings. In reality, most bonuses are tied to betting activity, which always carries risk. So it's important to use them responsibly and with a clear understanding of how the system works. If at any point your promo code doesn't work, there are a few simple things you should check before assuming it's broken. First, make sure you entered it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces or errors. Second, confirm that the promotion is still active. Third, check if your account is eligible for that offer. And finally, make sure you haven't already used a similar promotion before, because many welcome offers are strictly one-time only. Sometimes the issue is also technical, like browser glitches or app issues. In that case, refreshing the page, switching devices, or logging out and back in can solve the problem. If none of that works, the last step is usually contacting customer support, who can confirm whether the code is valid or why it's not applying. One more thing worth mentioning is that promo codes can sometimes be stackable with other offers, but not always. Some promotions are exclusive, meaning you can only use one at a time. Others allow combination with loyalty rewards or ongoing bonuses. It really depends on the specific terms of each offer, so again, checking details matters more than most people think. As you get more familiar with how promo codes work, you'll start to notice patterns. For example, major sporting events often come with better promotional offers. New seasons or tournaments usually trigger bonus campaigns. And sometimes platforms release limited time codes to attract new users during high traffic periods. Knowing this can help you spot better opportunities without relying on random or outdated codes. At the end of the day, using Bet365 promo codes is not complicated once you understand the process. It's all about finding a valid code, entering it at the right stage, understanding the conditions attached, and making sure your account is eligible. Once those 4 things are clear, everything else becomes much easier. Just remember to always stay aware of the terms and use these offers responsibly. Promotions are designed to enhance your experience, not guarantee outcomes. The smartest users are always the ones who understand how the system works before jumping in. And that's the full breakdown of how Bet365 promo codes work and how to use them step by step without confusion, mistakes, or missed bonuses.